Welcome back to Deck Tech for Decks, guys. I'm your host, Caleb. Today we've got some channel updates. We're going to be talking about a little bit of life updates. We're going to be talking about where I see the channel going. Gameplay is going to get mentioned, and we are going to talk about the new Patreon tiers. So let's get right into it. The first thing, I quit my day job. This is going to be my sole job from now on, and it has been for the past 2 weeks. If you've noticed, the upload schedule has basically doubled, and I've given you guys a ton of variety, the variety I've wanted to give you guys for a long time. We're building multiple decks with different strategies on the same commander. We're giving you budget lists and non-budget lists with the same strategies. Additionally, we're just giving you more content overall, which is, again, something I've been wanting to do for a while, but I haven't been able to do because I got this 9-to-5 bogging me down, right? We don't have to worry about that anymore. Another thing I did want to thank you guys on is the support I've gotten. This past 2 weeks has been my best weeks, my best weeks on YouTube by far. So again, thank you for the support. And if all you guys do is watch the content, like and subscribe, comment, that's all I need from you guys. That's more than enough. And I really appreciate the work you guys have been putting in to help boost the channel, because it's working and I see it and I appreciate it. That being said, if you guys do have anything to donate or some extra income, I am going to talk about Patreon. Patreon's going to be solid. I'm adding some new tiers to it to hopefully give you guys back and give you guys some value. The number one thing I've seen people ask about is if I could help them with their current brews. And to do that, it is a lot of time. It is time consuming, but I did add a tier to it. The tier is going to be a little bit more expensive, and it is going to have a time limit on it just because it takes a ton of time to help someone with a deck, and it's always hard to know when to walk away or not. So we're going to be time it, but for that time, you're going to have my undivided attention, and we're going to help you knock out some solid decks. I keep saying we're, like there's multiple people behind me, but it's just me. Anyway, my goal here is to help you guys take your strategy and what you envision and give you guys a solid deck out of it. And if you guys just pay for a month, knock out a deck, and then unsubscribe, that's completely fine, guys. I want you guys to get the value that you're paying for. But if you're enjoying it and, you know, it works out, I like it as well. Anyway, moving on, we're also going to be talking about a tournament that I am going to be starting, and this is going to be starting next month, and I'm super excited about it. More details on that later, but this will be competitive. I would liken it to CEDH, but it will not have the same legal cards as CEDH. It's not a new format. We're still playing Commander. We're just going to mess with the banned and unbanned cards a little bit to end up with a format that's interesting, new, and not solved. So I'm super excited about that. It's going to be for the brewers, not for the people that love playing decks, because I know there's a lot of people that just love playing Magic. They don't like brewing any decks. This is going to be a format for the brewers. It's going to have a constantly changing ban list. It's going to have different rules changes. People have talked about messing with commander damage and stuff, making it 10 instead of 20. Does that make more commanders viable? Anyway, I'm super excited to mess with that. Just an ever-changing rules list that people have to brew a new deck to fight with every month. Going to be super fun. Another thing I wanted to talk about is just gameplay. How do you guys consume it? How do you guys want it from the channel? We're going to try a couple different ways. I do want to try Cockatrice, which I know a lot of people do not like the UI of Cockatrice, but I don't think it's any worse than MTGO, but MTGO is kind of trash as well. We could do webcams, but with the webcams, we'd have to do Moxfield, and with Moxfield, it looks jank as well. In person's off the table for now. Can't find 3 friends that want to record gameplay, which is super fine. It's kind of hard to just get an in real life game in anyways, and to want to record and do everything. It's a huge hassle, so I understand it. I just want to get some feedback from you guys on what you guys want to consume from the channel, and yeah, we're gonna try to make that happen. Anyway, gameplay is gonna happen. We're gonna mess with a couple ways. I thought about just cutting it down to maybe 10-15 minutes and narrating a lot of that. We could probably make that happen. The gameplay is a little bit fast, a little bit more time friendly, so you're getting something that you're not getting from the other channels that do 2 hours worth of gameplay, right? Because you got to try to be different if you can't produce the same quality. And I know what I am here, so let's not get that twisted. Anyway, guys, this is just going to be a quick little video update. Thank you for the support. You guys are amazing. If you guys have been watching for a while, I appreciate you. If you guys are new around here, which is a lot of you, I appreciate you as well. With that being said, I hope this helped you guys in your deck building endeavors. I'll see you in the next one.